Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, I was thinking maybe we can do a very full glam, super intense, edgy makeup look. Yeah, we're gonna do a full face transformation today. I hate this word. Transformation. It sounds way too robotic, way too sci-fi-ish, you know? Transformation. Also, one other word that I don't like is snatched. Snatched. What does that even mean? I don't know, I've only heard this word in makeup tutorials. I'm gonna use it without knowing what it means, but today we're gonna snatch this face. I don't know guys, I feel like we take makeup too seriously sometimes. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to make myself look serious, going for a very edgy look without taking makeup seriously. So let's do it. I'm not gonna use any primer today. I already have my skincare on. It's just one of those days that I feel like even if I put on primer, it won't do anything. Because my skin is already marinated. It's already marinated in creams and oils. It doesn't need more, that's what I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna use my setting spray before I start applying my makeup. Yeah. When you see setting spray dripping off your face, that's when you stop. Play some sad piano music. Guys, I have some bad news. Like real bad. Like bad. I ran out of my Fenty Beauty foundation. No! Looking at these empty tubes actually makes me happy, you guys, because I've never loved a foundation that much. Two really empty tubes of the same foundation. That should mean something. So today, to replace my Fenty Beauty foundation, I'm gonna mix these two. Rimmel Match Perfection and L'Oreal Infallible. Nice. Wow. So runny. Why are you running, foundation? Why are you running? These two foundations mixed together, they remind me so much of the Fenty Beauty foundation. Obviously, it's not the same thing, but it's kind of similar, so. I'm adding some concealer on my blemishes. This is the Yayy Essential High Coverage Concealer, and I absolutely love this concealer, you guys. It is so covering, especially if you blend it out with brush. Oh my god, you're getting a ton of coverage. It covers everything. I mean, the texture will still be there, don't get me wrong, but if you have a pimple or something, it will cover the redness 100%. It's amazing. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Double Down Brow Putty. I like spraying some setting spray in the place where the brush used to be. Don't ask where that brush is. I don't know. I lost it a very long time ago. I dip my brush in that setting spray and then I take some of the product. I'm using an angled brush to fill in my brows, and I'm starting off from the bottom part of my brows and blending up the product upwards. I like most of the product to be in the bottom part of my brow. I really like the formula of this brow putty by Urban Decay. I've been using it for so many months now. Oh no, I kind of messed up my brow here. Don't worry, we're gonna clean it in a while. But yeah, I really like the formula. I feel like it's so easy to apply. And if you tell me, Danny, you have to pick one brow product to use for the rest of your life, which one is it? Oh, that's a scary question. I'll probably pick this one. I know that this is a very bold statement, but this has been my favorite brow product for quite some time now. Now I'm gonna take a spoolie. I'm using the spoolie of this brow pencil and I'm just gonna run through my brows. This will soften up the look a little. Now I'm taking my concealer, applying some of it in my crease. I'm using a lighter shade of concealer this time. Taking that brush and I'm gonna blend that concealer up towards my brow, and I'll use it to clean the bottom line of my brow. Blending out the rest of the concealer all over my eyelid, and it will act as my eyeshadow primer. 2 in 1. Lastly, for the brows, some clear brow gel to set the brow hairs in place. My brow hairs are quite long. I mean, I trim them, but sometimes I forget. I'm a human. I sometimes forget to trim my brow hairs, okay? That's normal. But yeah, some clear brow gel definitely helps to tame them and keep them in place because they have a mind of their own. They do whatever they want. my brow hairs. They control my life. Alright, eyebrows look intense. Oh, that's exactly what we want. Oh my god, you guys, I just had a toast and I got hit with that wave of energy. Oh, I feel so good right now. I'm 1000% sure that hangry is a real thing. Anyways, I need some lip balm because right now my lips are... I'm gonna use this one here, Bali Balm. There is that thing on the packaging here which is scratching my lip every time I apply it. Now we're moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna take my trusty Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow. No, hold on. That's not what I wanna do first. First, I'm gonna take a blending brush, and this is the Nabla Side by Side Nude Eyeshadow Palette. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this first color here, maybe mix it with this one called Halftime, mixing them together, and all of that is going in my crease. This is our first color, it doesn't need to be perfect, and this will be my guideline, so I know that I should not bring my black eyeshadow above that beige crease color that I'm applying right now. So next I'm taking my Makeup Forever eyeshadow, and this is going all over my eyelid. Wow! Now it's very important to not bring this black eyeshadow above your crease. So when you open your eye, you don't want that black eyeshadow to be showing above your crease. So now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm gonna... Oh no! Oh my god! See, usually I would blend this eyeshadow right away, but I was explaining you what I was doing and it kind of dried out. And now it's a little difficult to blend it out. Usually this eyeshadow is so easy to blend, so creamy. But if you let it dry, this happens. That's okay, you guys, that's okay. We like challenges. I'm gonna add one more layer on top and blending out right away. You can stretch your eyebrow up and that will make it a little easier to blend it out. I'll go ahead and add some black eyeshadow on top of that pencil, and if you're wondering why isn't that black pencil enough, well, here's the difference. On this eye I have the black pencil with black eyeshadow on top, and on this eye I only have the black pencil. So you can see that this eye is a lot more intense, it's a lot more dark. Also, adding the eyeshadow on top of the pencil will make your whole look a little bit more long-lasting. So, going back to our Nabla Side by Side eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take my brush, take some of the shade called Untitled, this black color here, and packing that color on top of the black pencil. Again, make sure that you don't go above your crease. I'm switching to a small blending brush and I will diffuse the harsh edges of that black color. And I'm using a very tiny brush because it will help me be more precise. It will help me not bring that black eyeshadow all over my eyelid, because if you take a big, let's say you take, that's a big blending brush, but if you take a blending brush which is that big and you start blending it out, it will blend the black eyeshadow all over your eyelid. But if you take a smaller brush, that won't happen. You'll be more precise with your blending. And this is so important, especially when you're using so dark, so intense eyeshadows. Precision is #1 priority. Alright, we're getting there, you guys, we're getting there. I love this very dark look. Okay, let's do the under eye so that we can finish the whole look. I will color correct first. Now, if you have some fallout from that black eyeshadow, make sure that you remove it, because you definitely don't want to blend your black eyeshadow with your concealer. That will give you the ultimate panda look. I mean, unless you're going for that look. Okay, so I'm applying my concealer. I'm gonna let this sit under my eyes for a while. I'm using 2 different shades of concealer. The Yayy Essential Coverage Concealer. The shade Wheat and the shade Lace. I kind of want to put my hair in a ponytail, but I want to keep the ears too. Nice. Spray my sponge with some setting spray and let's start blending that concealer out. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, love some concealer under the eyes. You know, some people feel like they look more put together if they have lipstick on or mascara on. I feel like I look a lot more presentable if I have some concealer under my eyes. Cover those dark circles. Make it look like I'm healthy and getting enough sleep, you know? Lipstick doesn't do that. No, lipstick is nice too. If I had to choose between lipstick or mascara, I think that I would choose mascara. I like mascara more than lipstick. Sorry, lipstick. Now I'm gonna add some black pencil in my waterline. We're really going for that 90s rockstar makeup look. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, hold on, I'm gonna show you up close. So I'm taking my pencil and I'm gonna start applying it in between my lower lashes. Yeah, I really need to sharpen this. Okay, be right back. I'm applying that pencil in between my lower lashes. Like this, and I'm gonna stop somewhere in the center. I'm not gonna bring that all the way to my inner corner, just in this outer half. I'm taking a small blending brush and I'm gonna just smudge it a little, connecting it with the eyeshadows on the upper lid. That's it. Alright, next I'm curling my lashes, prepping them for the mascara and for the falsies afterwards. Alright, now I'm gonna add some powder on my face, just setting that concealer and foundation that I have all over my face. And then I would do my usual contour, blush, highlighter routine. Nothing really new here. I'm using products which I'm familiar with. I'm using these products almost every day. As always, I'm gonna have all the products listed down in the description box. In all of my makeup tutorials, in all of my makeup videos, everything is listed in the description box. It's so rare to have my hair down in my videos. I look like I can be a member of a heavy metal band. Fix this mess on my hair in 3, 2, 1. Hello. I love messy buns, you guys, and you know when I love them even more? When they come in pairs. This hairstyle literally took me 40 minutes. Send help. I like how at the beginning of the video I said that I wanted to make myself look serious, more edgy. Space buns. They're not really helping. I'm starting to doubt my hairstyle choices. Was this the best hairstyle for the look that we're going for today? No. Do I like it though? Yeah. Moving on to the lipstick. I just applied lip balm and I have to wipe it off. That's because I want to take some powder and I want to powder the outer edge of my lips, the mustache area. Powder that mustache. Now if you want to save some time, my friends, you can do this. That's it. I'm doing that because I find that no matter what lip liner I'm wearing, what lipstick I'm wearing, my lip products are always bleeding. They're kind of always smudging somehow and they end up everywhere. But if I set the outer edge of my lips with some powder, my mustache and stuff, that doesn't really happen, so that's why I'm doing it. Oh, you guys, my lower back is killing me. This chair that I have here is absolute trash. It makes my lower back hurt so much. It makes me feel like I'm 80 years old. I'm way too young to feel that way. I can't talk and apply my lip liner. Oh, I got the MAC lipsticks. They smell so good. It's that old school lipstick scent, you know? It's kind of nostalgic because my grandma's lipsticks, when she used to wear lipsticks, they smelled exactly like that. So it kind of reminds me of my grandma. I need to call grandma. I'm gonna add on top of it just a little bit of this more beige lip color by Colourpop. Some setting spray. The big question of today's video is... why do I have lipstick on my teeth? That was not a sound effect I added in editing. So, my friends, the big question of today's video is... did we manage to achieve a full glam transformation? Full transformation, I like that. I didn't wake up like this, I woke up like that. It's like we're two different people. For your information, that's a full glam transformation. What? This is a very intense, very edgy makeup look. I like it. Haven't done a haven't done a black smoky in a while. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but you know what? So what? I hope you guys learned something new today, and if you enjoyed watching this video, you already know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I also have a second channel here on YouTube. You can go and check it out. It will be right here below me. I'm posting on there videos which are not related to makeup. Go take a look, and also you can find me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.